Question number second. Present the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. First part. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Let breadth of rectangular plot is equal to x meter. Length of rectangular plot equal to length of the plot is 1 more than twice of its breadth. 1 more than twice of its breadth meter. According to question, area of rectangular plot, area of rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 528, and length is 2x plus 1, and breadth of rectangular plot is equal to x. Length into breadth is equal to 528. X multiplied by 2x, that is 2x square plus x equal to 528. 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. It's quadratic equation. And we find the length and breadth. Splitting middle term, 528 2s are 528 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 5 2s are 10. And prime factorization of 1056 equal to 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. And 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12. 2 33, 2s are 66. Middle term splitting means product of two number is equal to 1056. 2x square plus 33, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. 33 minus 32 equal to 1. That is 33x minus 32x. Product of two number 33 and 32 equal to 1056, and their subtraction equal to x. Minus 528 equal to 0. X is taking common, but 2x plus 33 is in bracket, and on the other hand 2x plus 33 is in bracket minus 16 is common. 16 to jar 32 and 16 multiplied by 33 that is equal to 528 equal to 0. So x minus 16 one pair and 2x plus 33 second pair equal to 0, x equal to 16 and x equal to minus 33 upon 2. X equal to 16 means breadth equal to 16 meter. Breadth is equal to 16 meter and length equal to 2 multiplied by 16 plus 1. This implies length equal to 33 meter. Answer. Area of rectangular plot is 528. Length of plot is 1 more than twice of its breadth. Let breadth of rectangular plot equal to x meter. Length of rectangular plot equal to twice of breadth and 1 more than, that is equal to 2x plus 1. Length of rectangular plot is equal to twice of breadth 2x and 1 more than twice of its breadth, that is 2x plus 1. Length of rectangular plot is 2x plus 1. Breadth of rectangular plot is equal to x meter. Area of rectangular plot is given, that is 528 meter square. Area of rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 2x plus 1 into breadth is x, that is equal to 528. X multiplied by 2x, that is equal to 2x square, and x multiplied by 1, that is equal to x. And 528 in right side, it is positive, it will be negative. 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So it's quadratic equation. And we find the factor of in quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. Splitting middle term, first product of first and last 528 and 2 is equal to 1056, and prime factorization of 1056 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 33. 2 2 jar 4 2 jar 8 2 jar 16 2 jar 32, and 33 minus 32, that is equal to 1. 33x minus 32x, that is equal to 1x, and we want to find positive x, 1x. So 33x minus 32x positive x, and product of 33x into 32x, that will be 1056x square. So x is taking common and 2x plus 33 in bracket, and on the same process bracket into x plus 33 and 16 multiplied by 2 is 32 and 16 multiplied by 33, that is equal to 528 equal to 0. So one pair x minus 16, another pair 2x plus 33 is equal to 0. X minus 16 equal to 0 means x equal to positive 16, and 2x plus 33 equal to 0 means x equal to negative 33 and divided by 2. So negative number is neglected and we get breadth, that is equal to x 16 meter. Breadth of rectangular plot is 16 meter and length of rectangular plot is 2 multiplied by 16 plus 1, 32 plus 1, that is equal to 33 meter. Answer. Question number second part. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integers. Let x and x plus 1 be two positive integer. According to question, product of number is equal to 306. X into x, that is equal to x square, plus x multiplied by 1, that is equal to x, is equal to 306. Shifting 306 left side, x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation, and first number, that is 1 into x square, 1 multiplied by 306, that is 306. So prime factorization of 306 equal to 2 15 2 jar 30, 2 3 jar 6, 3 3 5 jar 15, and 3 1 jar 3, 3 17 3 jar 51, 17 1 jar 3 3 jar 9, 2 jar 18. But 18x positive and minus 17x negative, that is equal to positive x, positive 1x. X raised to power 2 plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. 18 multiplied by 17 equal to 306. 18x minus 17x, that is equal to positive 1x. So x is taking common, x plus 18 is in bracket, and x plus 18 in bracket minus 17 is common, is equal to 0. X minus 17 is first time, and x plus 18 is 1 times equal to 0, and x minus 17 equal to 0 means x is equal to positive 17, and x plus 18 equal to 0 means x equal to negative 18. 17, one number is x and another number is x plus 1. So required number is equal to 17, 18. Answer. Let us assume x and x plus 1 be two positive consecutive integers, and according to question, their product is equal to 306. X into x plus 1 is equal to 306. X multiplied by x, that is x square, x multiplied by 1, that is x, is equal to 306. Shifting 306 left side, that is minus 306 equal to 0. So quadratic equation is x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. And by prime factorization, 306 is 2, 153 2 jar 306, 51 3 jar 153, 17 3 jar 51, 17 1 jar 17. So 3 3 jar 9, 9 2 jar 18. 18x minus 17x, that is equal to positive x, and 18 multiplied by 17 is equal to 306. So by middle term splitting, we get x is common, and in bracket x plus 18. X plus 18 is also in bracket, and 17 is common. 17 multiplied by x, that is equal to 17x, and 17 multiplied by 18, that is 306 equal to 0. 1 times common is x plus 18, and x minus 17 is equal to 0. X minus 17 equal to 0 means x equal to positive 17, and x plus 18 equal to 0 means x equal to negative 18. But this number is neglected, and x, when x is equal to 17, another number is x plus 1, 17 plus 1, that is 18. So required number equal to 17, comma 18. Answer. Question second, third part. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. But would like to find Rohan's present age. Let Rohan's present age is equal to x years. His mother's age equal to x plus 26 years. According to question, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now. After 3 years, x plus 3 and their product x plus 26 plus 3. 3 years from now means 3 years after. Their product is equal to 360. According to question, 3 years from now, their product of their ages will be 360. So x plus 3 in bracket into x plus 26 plus 3 in bracket, and their product is equal to 360. Then x plus 3 into x plus 26 plus 3 is 29 is equal to 360. X multiplied by x, that is equal to x raised to power 2 plus x multiplied by 29, that is 29x. 3 multiplied by x, positive 3x, and 3 multiplied by 29, that is equal to 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8, and that is equal to 360. Shifting 316 left side and is equal to 0, we get a quadratic equation. X square plus 29x, 29x plus 3x, that is equal to 32x. 29x plus 3x is 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. It's quadratic equation, and we subtract 360 minus 87, 3 and 5, 15 minus 8, 7, 2. X raised to power 2 plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. It's quadratic equation, and 273. Prime factorization of 273 is 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 7 13s are 13 sevens are 91. 13 1, its prime factorization of 273. And 13 threes are 39. 39x positive minus 7x negative. By splitting middle term, 39x minus 7x, that is equal to 32x. We get splitting middle term to x square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. Two number multiply of 39 and 7 equal to 273, and 39x minus 7x equal to 32x. So x is common, x plus 39 in bracket and x plus 39 in bracket minus 7 is common. X minus 7 1 times and x plus 39 is also 1 times equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 7 and Rohan's percentage x years. X is equal to minus 39 negative. But Rohan says Rohan's age equal to 7 years. Answer. Let Rohan's present age be x years and his mother's age equal to x plus 26. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now. After 3 years, x plus 3 in bracket into x plus 26 plus 3. 3 years from now, their product is equal to 360. So x plus 3 into x plus 26 plus 3 is 29. That will be 360. X into x, that is x square, x into 29, that is 29x. 3 multiplied by x equal to 3x, and 3 multiplied by 29, that is equal to 87. And also equal to 360. 360 shifting left side, that is minus 360 equal to 0. So x square plus 29x plus 3x is 32x plus 87 minus 360. 360 minus 87, that is equal to 273, but 360 is negative, so we get minus 273 negative equal to 0. And it gives a quadratic equation, and splitting middle term, factorize 273 by prime factorization 3, 7, 13. 13 threes are 39 minus 7x, 39x minus 7x equal to 32x. 39x minus 7x is equal to 32x, and x is taking common. X plus 39 is in bracket and x plus 39 in bracket, so minus 7 is common. Minus 7 multiplied by x, that is equal to 7x, and minus 7x and minus 7 multiplied by 39, that is 273 negative. X minus 7 1 times and x plus 39 1 times equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0 means x is equal to positive 7. So Rohan's present is equal to 7 year. Answer. Question second, fourth part. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of train. Let the speed of train train be x kilometer per hour. Total distance is equal to 480 kilometer. According to question, time is equal to distance upon speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more than to cover the same distance. 480 upon x minus 8 is equal to 480 upon x more than 3 hours. 480 divided by x minus 8, shifting left side 480 upon x is equal to 3, and 480 common, x minus 8 minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. This implies 480 is common, but x multiplied by left side and x minus 8 multiplied by right side, x minus x and minus minus plus 8 divided by x into x minus 8, that is equal to 3. X is cancelled. 480 multiplied by 8 divided by x square minus 8x is equal to 3. This implies 480 into 8, 3 divides here, and x square minus 8x is right side. This is cancelled by 160, and 160 multiplied by 8, 16 8s are 128. 128 0 is equal to x square minus 8x. This implies x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. 1280 shifting right side, and it gives a quadratic equation x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0, but 1280. Factorize 2 6 are 12, 4 are 8, and 2 32 are 64, 2 160, 2 80, 2 40. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Yes. But factorization, splitting middle term, x square minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280 equal to 0. Minus 40x plus 32x. When we subtract 40 and 32, get minus 8x. And 40 multiplied by 32, that is 1280. So x is common, and x minus 40 are in brackets, and x minus 40 in bracket plus 32 is common is equal to 0. This implies x minus 40 one times common, x plus 32 is also common equal to 0. X is equal to 40, positive 40. So speed of train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Answer. Let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Total distance is 480 kilometer, and this time is equal to distance upon speed. According to question, a train travels distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, speed had been 8 km per hour less, 480 upon x minus 8 is equal to, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. 480 upon x plus 3 more than plus 3 is equal to 480 upon x minus 8. Shifting 480 upon x in left side, and 480 is taking common in numerator, but 1 upon x minus 8 in bracket minus 1 upon x in bracket. X multiplied by 1, that is equal to x minus x minus 8 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus x, and minus minus plus 8. X is common, x is cancel, positive negative is cancel, and we get 480 into 8 upon x into x square minus 8 into x 8x, that is equal to 3, and 3 b divides 480 into 8 by 3, and 480 is divisible by 3, that is 160, 3s are 480, and 160 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1280, and x square minus 8x shift right side. So x square minus 8x is right side, and 160 multiplied by 8 in left, that is 1280, and we are shifting in right side 1280, that is in negative sign, and it gives a quadratic equation, and splitting the middle term 1280, prime factorization of 1280 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 40, and 40 minus 32, 2 2 jar 4, 2 jar 8, 2 jar 16, 2 jar 32, when we subtract 40 minus 32, then we get 8, and we want to 8x negative, so minus 40x positive 32x, that is minus 8x, x is taking common, and x minus 40 is in bracket, and 32 is common, x minus 40 in bracket equal to 0. 1 times x minus 40 taking common, and x plus 32 equal to 0. So x is equal to positive 40, speed of train is equal to 40 km per hour. Answer. Thank you so much.